Cash App QR codes are a secure and instant way to transfer money between users. Each user has a unique QR code that contains encrypted payment information. There are two types of QR codes in Cash App. Static codes are permanent and stay the same, while dynamic codes are temporary and can be amount specific. Cash App QR codes have two primary functions: receiving money and sending money. Let's look at how to receive money first. To send money, the process is equally simple. You use your camera to scan someone else's QR code and enter the payment amount. The entire process uses secure encryption and happens instantly. Whether you're splitting a bill, paying for services, or sending money to friends, Cash App QR codes make transactions fast and secure. Scanning a Cash App QR code is a straightforward process that requires following specific steps for optimal results. First, ensure you're in a well-lit environment for the best scanning experience. Next, open the Cash App on your device and tap either the Send button or the camera icon to access the QR code scanner. Point your camera directly at the recipient's QR code. The Cash App will automatically detect and read the QR code without requiring you to take a photo. Always verify the recipient's information before confirming any payment. This crucial step helps prevent sending money to the wrong person. Cash App implements robust security measures to protect your transactions. All QR code transactions are secured with 256-bit SSL encryption, the same level of security used by banks. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, requiring multiple forms of verification before completing transactions. Biometric authentication, including fingerprint and facial recognition, provides convenient yet secure access to your account and transaction confirmations. Dynamic QR codes provide additional security by changing periodically, making them much harder for fraudsters to exploit compared to static codes. Cash App enforces transaction limits to protect users. Verified accounts can send up to $2,500 per week, while unverified accounts are limited to $250 per week. These comprehensive security measures work together to create a safe environment for QR code transactions, combining convenience with robust protection against fraud and unauthorized access.